Hey, look, man, I ain't got a lot of time to do a lot of talking, so I'm gonna keep it real simple and plain. So, favorite cousin, Young Jock, with my dog, Donkmaster. We live at my new exclusive rim shop, Exclusive Rims and Tires. Let me tell you something, man. Your man done put it into effect. Man, been doing what he's supposed to do. I'm talking about all the right accolades, all the right accreditations, because guess what? NDRA, the only way. My man don't put it into law. My man, what he say is what it goes and what it is. And it's the right people in the right places that's bagging everything he say. If he say you can't do it, you can't do it. That's just how I go, man. Hey.
You got MTC on the track, man.
Alright, we checking in, y'all. We checking in, man. Another segment with the Donkmaster or whatever. And we were thinking about something. I wanted to talk to him about what it takes to get in this game called. Some people can come with 10, 20,000, 25,000 and think you can get started when it comes to one of these cars, but I want folk to realize that they not just pretty, man. They actually they got real deal performing engines and stuff.
Fast and flashy show car, race car. Fast and flashy, you know what I'm saying? Like a Donk like this, to start off with the car. Right now, the car by itself in pretty decent condition. You can spend 10, 15,000, $25,000 for a Donk. 71 through 73, those about the highest one. You know what I mean? 74, 75. They ain't as much, but it's still a Donk. But as far as the motor, if you ain't making 1,000 horsepower, you better go sit down, cuz. And then, like, if you start off with a 421 old school motor, you about 15,000. You go with an LSX, all that, you know what I mean? Something that make 1,500 with a turbo or something. You about 18, 20,000, 25,000, depending on what you want. But that's just the motor. That ain't the transmission, the intercooler, the turbo, the digital gauge, the shifter, the rear end, the suspension, the shocks, the disc brakes, the headlight. You know what I'm saying? You gonna have about 150,000. You gonna have 6 figures into something that can run sub 10-second passes on the racetrack. And that's just basically you'll have is something like that. If you want to get an NDRA, you want to race a Donk, G-body, box Chevy, bubble Chevy, any of that kind of stuff. If you want a good, strong powertrain, you know what I mean, you have at least 60,000 and motor, transmission, rear end, the cooler system, you know what I mean? Fuel system, stuff like that, that's what you have. Something that can make a guaranteed 1,000 horsepower to the ground.
And so what now to be competitive, like competitive as in running with you, cause we know we got class like look. Run. He said run.
Yeah. If you wanna run with me now, you better spend about $250,000. But if you wanna come in first place loser, if you wanna run with some of the slower guys, now you know what I mean? Only a couple people that's running with me probably be like Cut the Check, Bot, Boost Doctor, me. And I don't too much. Might be one other Donk like Macho, one of them. The other ones they ain't consistent. But those people right there, they consistent, and you gonna have to have about $250,000 now. I'm gonna tell you that right now. You gotta have that if you wanna.
So to be competitive, like in the upper ranks, then.
Yeah, in the big. If you wanna be a big dog, don't. Now I ain't talking. You know what I'm saying? The box shape is all this stuff lighter. You know what I mean? The Donk, full body trim, 26, all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? You gotta have to have 2,500, 3,000 horsepower off the rip.
So what do you call weight car? People always talking about that too. What they?
Full trim. If you got music in the trunk and everything, you 5,500 pounds all day long. 5,500.
Yeah.
You strip it down, gut it out like the boys doing right now. You still 4,000. You know what I mean? At the minimum, you still 4,000.
So you
got
like
26-inch wheels on.
So you strip it down. You like a I know a factory hard top box Chevy. They fold flat.
Yeah,
38, I think. So you still right up in there.
Yeah,
if it's stripped.
If it's stripped down.
And it's still heavy, y'all.
Yeah, they still heavy now on 26-inch rim. You know what I'm saying? Now these cars running 9.625. Are they faster than that? You know what I'm saying? There's some out here running super fast, and it's a Z06 gonna come out and gonna run blistering fast.
Hey, man, let me ask you that while we thinking about it. What make you run your car on 28 versus, I know most of the field on 26.
Yeah, see, I had them on 28s. I'm on 26 now.
You on 26 now?
Yeah, so
okay.
I had them on 28s and I've been running over them. I had it like that because the 28s was a taller tire. You know what I mean? So that's what I did. Like, I ain't want to give everybody my secrets and shit, but you know what I mean? I've been busting them down on 28s because I've been gapping them on 28s heavy, but I'm on 26 now and we got it getting it figured out. And you know, we'll be racing Donks to see. That's another thing. Let me straighten this out, right? Everybody keep talking about only race Chargers, Hellcats, and all this Ferraris and all. Listen, they bet money too. If they come to a Donk and say, hey, I want to give a donation, guess what y'all gonna do? Take the donation. You know what I'm saying? If somebody run over on me with a $500,000 Ferrari, talking about they want to run for $10,000, and I know I can gap him, so I'm supposed to say no? Oh.
Hey, you take it.
Yeah, I'm taking that. You know what I'm saying? So, and later on in the year, yes, the Z06 go race Donks and we go find out who got the fastest big wheel car. You know what I'm saying? That's y'all want to see. Whoever name y'all drop them in the comments. J. Michael, tell them, put them in the comments. I want to find out who y'all want me to race with my Donk first. Is it a Florida boy, a Texas boy, California, wherever they at? Let me know. I want to know because I want to bust the fastest person y'all think ass, right? I want to run slap over them. Run them over the way, then I'm going to go back getting them donations off them charging them Hellcats.
All right, y'all. So look, man, y'all just drop in the comment, man. We want to talk about this for real though, cause you know, some people don't really know what it takes to build a car their caliber or whatever, or any of the other cars he be dealing with and everything. People racing in the game, so yeah, that's why we were checking in, y'all. So y'all just drop the comment below, and we gonna catch y'all later.
Cedric.